Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Many recipes call for greasing a loaf pan and often flouring it as well. But did you know that you can skip this step by using this method? In this episode, I'll show you how to quickly line a loaf pan with parchment paper. So let's get cooking. We'll place our pan right on top of a piece of parchment paper, big enough to cover the sides, and we'll trace a line from the inside corner of the loaf pan. I'm using the grid. It makes the task easier. Using scissors, we'll cut the lines and we'll end up with 3 panels. We'll fold them over and then repeat the same steps on the opposite side as well. Now, we might have to cut the ends a little, so when the paper is lined inside the pan, it won't stick out as much. See, this is what I mean. And the other side is slightly too much, so I'll have to trim it a little too. We still want some overlap just like this. Next, we'll fold the longest side over about 1/3 of the way and crease it along the edge. Then we'll do the same on the other side. Now, we'll place the paper in the loaf pan, open it, and push the folds to the ends. To help keep the ends in place, lightly spray behind the inside panel of each side with cooking spray. Et voila! Our loaf pan is lined. As you saw in this video, it takes 2 minutes and your loaf pan is ready to go. I hope you enjoy tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!